Okay, we've made it to our last category, and so now we need to find out, is there support that exists both for this website, for the article, but also for the content itself, what it's saying. So the first question is the content of the website supported by appropriate research? Now we know that this article, the author did use choosemyplate.gov and the Academy of, what was it, dietetics and nutrition, other way around. So we know that we used these two in the article itself, but what I wish the author had done is actually cited some of that. Where did they get some of this information? So, for example, when they're talking about the downsides of energy drinks being full of caffeine, or having mysterious ingredients, if there are any studies done that talked about how those might be negative for teens, I wish they had specifically listed those studies, because we can't go back and search for it because we don't know what they used. Again, because they did use choosemyplate.gov and the eatright.org sites, we know that they're getting it from a good resource, but I just wish that we had the specific information so we could look into it too. The next question is asking about, is the content of the website supported by other reputable resources? So we know that choosemyplate.gov and eatright.org support this information because they are saying the same thing. I also know that by doing some research that medlineplus.gov agrees. We can find information from SAMHSA, which is the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration. It's an interesting little tidbit they put out about emergency department visits because of energy drinks, something to be aware of. CDC has some information on the same topic saying the same thing. So the actual information on the website, other people are saying as well. And so, yeah, Medline Plus, SAMHSA, CDC all say the same thing. So we feel like that's good support to say that these people are agreeing with it. And then our last question here is the website supported or funded by reputable and reliable sources? And we know that teenshealth.org partners with NEMARS. And so just a quick little search about them. We find out that they are a nonprofit organization, which helps us to feel like they're a credible source to be supporting teens' health if we're going to use them as a resource. Because hopefully, if they're nonprofit, their main goal is not to make money. Their main goal is to keep people healthy. So we can see a little bit about what they're all about. And so when we take a look at that question, is the website supported or funded? That's a great partner for them to be working with if their main objective is to help keep kids and teens safe. So for support, looks like they've got some support. I wish that they had explained a little bit more. Maybe they left some stuff out because maybe they thought teens wouldn't care. I don't want to make that assumption, but I do wish that there's a little more information about where they're getting some of that information. But on the whole, there's some pretty good resources here.